Take mutton ½ kg. Add 4 green chili. Add onion 1. Add ginger 1-inch piece. Add garlic 6 pieces. Add 1 tablespoon dry coriander seed. Add fennel 1 teaspoon. Add white 1 teaspoon. Add 4 small elaichi. Add a cinnamon piece. Add badian 1 flour. Add black pepper ½ teaspoon. Add big elaichi 2. Add salt 1 tablespoon. Add cooking oil 1 tablespoon. Add water 1.25 liter. Mix them and cover that. On medium flame, cook for 18 minutes. Take mutton out and filter the soup. Add ½ bowl ghee. Add some onion pieces and cook them. Add garlic and ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Add cinnamon small piece 1. Add black pepper ½ teaspoon. Add big elaichi 2. Add tejpata 2. Add zira 1/4 teaspoon. Cook for 1 minute on medium flame. Add mutton in it. Add small elaichi 2. Add red flakes 1 teaspoon. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. On low flame, add yogurt 4 tablespoons. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. On high flame, add filtered soup. And wait for boil. Add ½ teaspoon salt. Add 30 to 40 minutes soaked rice, whichever you liked. On high flame, cook it for water and rice to be leveled up. Add 4 green chili. With foil paper, cover it for 15 minutes. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Now your mutton soup pilau is ready. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more.